let me give you a quick walkthrough. So it's Monday and your boss wants you to send a report by 10. So you open Google Ads, then LinkedIn, then export to Meta, go to Reddit, whatever platforms you have ads on, try to stitch it all together in one spreadsheet. And that's 3 hours gone every week, maybe more. So we built Synter Media AI to fix that. So Synter does it all in one prompt. Just ask what you need, which campaigns to kill, and where your budget is burning, and what's actually working this week. So let me show you. This is a dashboard, and I'll type analyze my ad performance across all platforms. So the Ajax off, and it basically asks me a date range to kick things off. So I think what I would do is I would go with last 30. So the also thing is that it's going to ask for the account ID. So if you have multiple accounts running, that's also not a problem. So over here, I'll go with last 30 days. And I will also provide it the ID of the accounts that I want it to run. All right, so the report is now done, and I am actually able to see the results. We have kept it fully transparent, and you can exactly see what it has done. So over here, the input, output, everything's really visible, and there's no digging, no dashboard switching. So here it has pulled our Reddit account, and I think it has flagged something. So we will see that in the report as well. Pulled the Google Ads performance, added the right date range with the right account, Meta ads performance. So it's like a long file, so we'll skip that. Pulled the LinkedIn ad performance, Microsoft, Reddit ad performance, X ad performance, and Amazon ads performance. And then it went on to update the document session, which you can see on this side here, on the right-hand side. And this is what the chat looks like. So it completed these 14 actions, and boom, the report's ready. You get a clean summary that you can send straight to your boss or your manager, total spend, conversions, and what's working. And it also tells me exactly which ad to pause right on top. So the tracking is broken. I think I need to look into that. And I also caught a LinkedIn connection drop. So I know to reconnect. This is what it does, right? So all in one platform, one prompt report is done. And this is Synter. If you want to try it or have more questions, drop in comments, and more capabilities coming on in the next. Thanks for watching.